Jada Pinkett Smith reportedly didn't want to interview Jordyn Woods after the Tristan Thompson drama. Jordyn reacts to Kim K saying she owes everything to Kylie Jenner. Plus, I ran into Jordyn last night. Hey guys, it's Allie for Hollywood Live, and before we sip on all that Jordyn Woods tea, we're hearing exclusively how Kylie really feels about that A-Rod rich comment. Kylie told Sports Illustrated that she bragged about being so rich at the Met Gala, which Kai denied on Twitter, saying they spoke about Game of Thrones. Then A-Rod took back his original comment and agreed with Kylie. Well, we're being told Kylie really appreciates that he set the record straight. She knows he wasn't throwing any shade, so there's no hard feelings. But she hates when people think she goes around bragging about her wealth, so that's why she had to say something. But okay, guys, you might want to sit down if you aren't already, because yesterday I ran into Jordyn Woods.
Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
I went to her Boohoo collection launch event, and not gonna lie, I was super nervous because I definitely felt like she hated me because I'm sassy, and we can all agree that I report the truth and nothing but the truth, so help me God. But as soon as I got there, Jordyn said hi, and her mom Elizabeth came up and gave me a hug. So at the event, the DJ was playing some Travis Scott music, which was a little uncomfortable, but I asked Jordyn how she was doing, and she said she was feeling good, and as Elizabeth put it, it's all love. Also at the event, Entertainment Tonight asked her about the whole Tristan Thompson drama, which was ballsy of them, but I appreciate it. Recall during last week's episode of Keeping Up, Khloe claimed Jordyn never once apologized to her, but Jordyn told the site of course she's sorry and has been apologetic as she can be. But one of the most intense moments from the episode was when Kim said Jordyn owes everything she is to Kylie Jenner. Take a listen to Jordyn's response.
I definitely work very hard for a lot of the things that I have, and you know, as you can see, I'm out here hustling, and I've been working. I started modeling when I was 18, and you know, I work hard.
Now let's rewind to Jordyn's infamous red table talk, because People is reporting that Jada Pinkett Smith was not originally on board with the interview. She told the site she was hesitant because of their close relationship, but she had a change of heart after Jordyn told her she only felt safe speaking to her. Jada also told the site Jordyn was just like, I really need you in this platform. And her husband Will felt like it was supremely important. So that's when she agreed to do the interview, because she wanted to give Jordyn a platform to tell her side of the story. But all right, guys, hit the sub, like, and bell button for all the latest Kar Jenner news. Let us know what you think about Jordyn's new collection with Boohoo in the comments below. Bye, guys.